Everyone, today we are going to read English grammar for ninth class. The topic is tense and its types. There are three types of tense: first, present, second, past, and third is future tense. There are four subtypes also each tense. First, present simple, present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Same as past tense, past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. Third also same, third tense is also same: future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. First we will read introduction of tense. What is tense? The word tense is a term of English grammar and refer to a form of the verb that indicates time. जो टेंस है वो इंग्लिश ग्रामर की एक टर्म होती है जो कि एक्शन और टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. फर्स्ट इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. इट इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड ए प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. इसमें वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ती है, ते हैं आदि आते हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब में डू डज, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ में एस आई एस. नाउ वी विल सी स्ट्रक्चर, हाउ टू फ्रेम सेंटेंस इन सिंपल सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट वी विल use subject plus verb की first form ses plus object plus others. Note, es is added with those verbs which sh, ch, double s, x, o and otherwise s is added. Why is? For example, I go home. Here I is a singular, so we use go. He goes to school. Here he is a singular but third person, so we can use goes. Third is negative sentence. Here subject plus do does plus not plus verb की first form plus object plus others. Now interrogative sentence. In this sentence we use helping verb do does plus subject plus verb की first form plus object plus other plus question mark. Now interrogative negative sentence, we use do does plus subject plus not. Here not we use because this sentence is interrogative negative sentence. Then verb की first form plus object, then other and then last question mark. There are some adverbs which help you to recognize present simple tense. Here always, never, often, generally, sometimes, usually, daily, every plus time, twice year, seldom, hardly, rarely, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. यहाँ पे कुछ एडवर्ब है जिनके हेल्प से आप प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस को इजीली पहचान सकते हैं. अगर ये सेंटेंस में लास्ट में यूज़ किए जाते हैं, जो अदर्स है वहाँ पे उसके प्लेस पे इनका यूज़ किया जाता है. इससे हम आसानी से देख सकते हैं कि जो टेंस है वो कौन सा टेंस है. Now he, she, it name singular. We can use verb की first form plus SES, otherwise does. If sentence is simple sentence, there is no need to use does. I, we, you, they, other plural, we can use verb की first form and do. There are some example. First example is the sun rises in the east. Here we talking about the universal truth, so we use rises. The sun is singular. Second is he smokes cigarette. Here speaking about habit, so we can use smokes. Third is they often attend the party. Fourth example is Monday comes after Sunday. And last, fifth, they punish him daily. Punish verb is, so they, here they subject and they is a plural sentence, plural subject. We will continue present continuous tense in next video.